In other news, a Japanese court ruled that the country's ban on same-sex marriage does not violate its constitution. The Osaka District Court ruling is the second decision on the issue. A local court in Sapporo last year found the ban on same-sex marriages unconstitutional. The recent ruling came on Monday when the Osaka court was deciding on the demands for compensation from three couples who argued that their right to free union and equality were being violated. The court said that freedom of marriage under the 1947 Constitution extends only to heterosexual marriages and does not extend to those of same sex. The court further noted that protections for same-sex marriages were still undergoing public debate in Japan. The court, however, urged the parliament to seek methods to better protect same-sex marriages, including options to legalize the same. Listen in.
ひどい判決だなと思います。変えられない、自分たちが変えられないこの性的指向で差別的な取り扱いを受けていること、これを合憲としたわけですよね。だから非常にもう憤りを感じてますし、もう本当に残念でならないということがあります。
Now, in this case, it includes two male and one female same-sex couple. They are among the 14 couples who filed lawsuits against the government in 5 major cities of Japan in 2019. They argued that existing norms were in violation to their rights of free union and equality. Now, this comes right after the Tokyo metropolitan government last week adopted a plan to accept registrations of sexual minority couples. Now, under this plan, these couples will be issued certificates of their partnerships starting from October this year. However, this will not be the same as a marriage certificate and hence will not provide equal legal protections. Now, more than 200 municipalities across Japan have begun issuing similar non-legally binding partnership certificates to same-sex couples. Tokyo's Shibuya district was first to do so back in the year 2015. Since then, more than 12% of Japan's municipal governments have made similar arrangements. Under current rules in Japan, same-sex couples cannot inherit each other's property and have no paternal rights over each other's children. They're often barred from renting apartments altogether. They're even restricted from hospital visits and other similar services provided to married couples. And support for sexual diversity has grown slowly in Japan in the past few months, but legal protections are still lacking. LGBTQ people often face discrimination at school, work and at home, causing many to hide their sexual identities. Right groups had pushed for passage of an Equality Act ahead of Tokyo Olympics last year, when international attention was focused on Japan. However, the bill was eventually quashed by the conservative governing party. Japan now remains the only country in G7 group that has not legalized gay marriages. Monday's ruling came as another setback for activists. The right groups were hoping to further pressurize the government after the ruling by the Sapporo District Court last year. Further, the recent ruling comes at a time when Pride Month is being celebrated across the globe, led by the LGBTQ community. Thousands of marches, rallies and demonstrations are taking place around the world this month to secure equal justice, opportunities and respect for the LGBTQ community. Pride Month is celebrated in the month of June every year to commemorate the Stonewall riots of 1969 and to spread awareness over the issues of the LGBTQ community.
In unforgivable ways.